It's the time for the package from China. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video we are going to take a close look at the Bolystation. Yep, it's something that I picked up from a Belgium convention, and this thing is the next level shizzle when it comes to clone systems. The most weird thing that they're putting in text like the new improved system, the king of games 3D. Like what? I was more like 3D game effect. What the hell are they talking about? The system, the Bolystation, is also called the IU3000, and this is basically what we're finding on information. There is nothing much, so I'm really curious. I didn't test it before. I just wanted to do this unboxing with you. So on the inside we're going to get the horrible styrofoam, and let's see here we're going to get everything that we're going to need for making this actually video. So the inside we're going to get the system itself, and the system is actually like a very cheap clone. It doesn't state Bolystation on the top. I think it's kind of interesting but also weird. Unfortunate, my case does have some damage. Opening it up, yeah, they're talking about 3D graphics, but it's absolutely bullocks. Simply because when you're looking at it, this thing is just actually a Famicom. But what are we going to get with the Famicom part? At the front we're going to get two controller ports. At the back we're going to get ourselves the AV out and the input for the power supply. Inside the box we're going to get the manual itself. So let's see what kind of language is. This is in English only? Yep, there we go. And you know what's kind of interesting? I have reviewed a couple of these devices back in the day, and it seems to be there is one full freaking collection. There is even an Xbox One or an Xbox Classic version. We have the Famicom and PlayStation or PS1 version. And man, there are a lot of different ones, even different kind of light guns, and of course the controllers. But the controllers, yep, they are looking very strangely. Oh man, the quality, look at this. Oh man, I don't know what happened. Oh man, they already unscrewed a part. Oh yeah, they already like messed around with it. Oh, that's a little bit unfortunate. Let's see how the second controller is. Yeah, also this one has absolutely damage. If you're looking at the box, I don't know what happened. Then it happened with me. I did store it and I was very careful. The overall controller design is quite interesting because it feels kind of comfortable. The D-pad's more like the floating D-pad, but if you're looking at the how this thing looks and how it is formed, it's kind of interesting. Select start and 6-button layout, no shoulder buttons. The form factor, especially at the back here, you can see that gives like a very nice, comfortable grip. Alright, so let's double check the power supply. 9 volts, it's 220, so this is not like the multi-region like the 100 all the way up to 220 nowadays. Nope, this is the old school style. This system has been made for the PAL region. The light gun that comes with it, I don't know what to think about it. I do get some Judge Dredd vibes over here. And the plastic, it is very thick plastic, but you can see how cheaply this is made. They can even make it like a machine, I think like a Uzi or something. Let's see, let's slide it in. How do you freaking slide this in? You can also see how cheaply this made. Oh, there we go. And then we actually like play the game. Oh, my micro is getting stuck. But let's test that also out on a CRT. And of course the AV out cable. And oh man, luckily it comes with AV out because sometimes it doesn't having the AV out cable. That's so annoying. I have seen my share of crappy consoles, but this is maybe one of the... This is absolutely in top 5 model over here. Let's remove the screws. I need to open it up. And the main reason is very simple. It's because all of my connectors are completely messed up. Okay, so let's open it up and let's see what's going on in the inside. The freaking like... Oh man, seriously? The support for the PCB has been broken off, so we need to re-glue this, and that is something that we're going to do. But the inside, it's kind of laughable in my opinion. Oh man, I have seen myself a share of a cheap device, but this is absolutely maybe my number one weirdest one yet. So here at the right, we're going to get an on and off switch and micro switch. Look how they made this to support everything. This is really bad. This is absolutely laughable. The PCB in the middle is tiny. I've like never seen something like this before. Like it's so eeny-peeny tiny. And the capacitor seems to be in good condition. At the front we're going to get ourselves the controller port, but there's no damage here. So let's re-glue this sucker and let's get this thing working. So one of the things I was really looking forward just to see what are we actually going to get when it comes to the game list itself. Yeah, and the game list is going to be some old school shizzle, and not in a good way. So it's going to be called the Olympic 2000, with a gazillion games in the inside. Do you believe it yourself? Nope, I don't. Because this is one of those shenanigan game systems that we have like a lot of double games. How many games do we actually going to get? Maybe, let's see, 11, 12 or something like that. Oh, this controller doesn't respond at all. Skeet, what? Okay, the first game that we're actually going to get is the track and field game, but oh boy, the signal output on this thing is absolutely horrible. Look how the colors are washed out. It's absolutely horrible when you're looking at this. I found it a big surprise to actually find some decent games like Election on here. But the overall gameplay and also the audio doesn't sound that crazy. I really love these games. By the way, tried the second controller because the first one is completely destroyed in the inside. It's also kind of funny, they call this thing the FIFA soccer, but it's just actually soccer from back in the day. That's it, that we're going to get. And that's actually like one of the couple of games that we're just going to get with this system. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Not at all. Oh, there we go. I'm there. Well, let's take a close look at the Light-on feature. Crap! My freaking button is getting stuck sometimes. Alright, let's see if we can get to the second round. Here we go! What? I was aiming for the right one. What the hell's going on? So this doesn't really work that great. I'm disappointed. Normally these cheap stuff actually work fine, but yeah. Don't have the best of luck with this thing. So where this crappy Bolystation, whatever the thing is called, that comes with a couple of games installed. But adding Forever Games, the 852 in one, the ultimate Famicom multigame card, we actually have like the ultimate Famicom player this way. And this way we can just enjoy yourself some old school 8-bit games, and this is so much more convenient. The downside to this thing is, and I mean especially the system itself, it's really low quality. Absolutely, it's when it comes to the signal output. So in this way we can just actually play and enjoy some old school upgrade games on your Bolystation. But what I mentioned before, what I find quite unfortunate, that the signal output doesn't look really bad on a CRT, but if you're going to slap it on an LCD, it's absolutely horrible and you don't want to play it like that. Oh, let's choose one of my favorite games to play, and it is absolutely great RC Pro AM racing game, so much fun. And this was, I think, was the YouTube channel that does all these long plays, completing the game. Oh, man, that's been a very long time I've played this. And it's playable on this crappy controller. There we go, come on. There we go, there we go. Oh, I'm also forgetting the power-ups, oh boy. It sounds really slow because it is PAL system. So when you're looking at the Bolystation, it's kind of funny, the name. I just picked it up because it was looking so, and basically like sounding so funny. Nevertheless, I was surprised and also disappointed at the same time, because I didn't realize there were so bad clones out there. And this is absolutely a piece of garbage. It had all kinds of damage, no idea what happened. I already mentioned it didn't happen with me, doesn't even matter. I needed to check it before I even bought it. It still seems to be working. Maybe you can use the internal part for some DIY. Nevertheless, I want to thank you all for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and it would be great to see you in the next video.